beautiful people. Are you struggling with severe dark spots like this lady, severe sunburn like this lady, severe acne on the face like this lady? In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on face clear sets from Lartini Skincare. This set comes in two types. We have the smaller set and we have a bigger set as well. This face clear set is formulated to clear dark spots on the face, to clear sunburn on the face, and to also clear acne on the face. And it's recommended for all skin type. A normal skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, a dry skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, and also a sensitive skin person can use it as well. Lartini Skincare is a brand that formulates luxurious skincare products. We also help to repair the skin, and we also help in finding solution for people with skin problem such as stretch marks, such as dark spots, such as acne, such as wrinkle. Like you have uneven tone and you need a product to help you achieve even tone skin, or you have used a product that has damaged your skin. We have the best products that will help you repair the skin for you. But in this video, I'm going to dive into our face clear set because there are a lot of people having issue with severe dark spots on their face, and I'm going to help you out to get the right product to clear those dark spots that you have on your face. Our face clear set comes in a smaller set, which we have the face cream, we have the cleanser. Sorry, I don't have a label on the cleanser. We are working on the label because we have run out of the label. It comes with a facial cream, it comes with a cleanser, and it comes with the facial soap as well. This is the smaller set of our face clear products, and we have the bigger set which comes with the big size of the face cream and our acne removal soap, and also the cleanser as well. If you are a dark skin person, you are a caramel skin person, you are a fair skin person, and you have severe stubborn dark spots on your face, this is the right product that I can recommend for you. There is this lady who sent us a DM on TikTok. She's from Akosombo. I would like to share her review with you guys. This is how her face was when she got in touch with Lartini Skincare. In fact, she went straight forward. She was like she's battling with severe dark spots and she has used a lot of products, but they end up damaging her face for her. So I quickly asked her to send me a picture of her to see. The reason why I did that is that I want to see how her skin is so that I can know the right product to recommend for her so that she'll be able to clear those stubborn dark spots on her face. So when she sent me a picture of her face, I recommended our face clear products for her. In fact, I gave her the bigger set because her dark spot was very severe and it's with a sunburn as well. So she placed an order and we delivered it to her at Akosombo. So within 2 weeks to 3 weeks to a month, she sent me a message, which is this one, telling me how the product is really working for her. So after a month, lovely people, she sent me a review of her face, which is this. In fact, the product has cleared all the dark spots on her face. It has made her face very smooth. It has brightened her face. It has glow her face, and she really felt proud on her skin when stepping out. She always tells me that when she's going out those days, she's been using makeups on her face to prevent or to avoid the dark spots from appearing. But now she stepped out confident without even using a makeup on her face. This is how the bigger set looks like, and it comes with a cleanser. So we directed her how she should use it. Actually, you need to use the cleanser before going to the bathhouse. Let me tell you this thing. I have met a lot of people who always tells me that they uses their cleanser after bathing. No, take note, cleanser is supposed to be used on the face before going to the bathhouse, and mostly it's supposed to be used at night. I personally, this is how I use this my cleanser. After doing my rounds and everything during the daytime and in the evening time, I just pour some of this cleanser in a cotton and I use it to clean my face very well. And sometimes after cleaning it, you could see the dirt on my face. So before going to the bathhouse, clean your face with a cleanser and a cotton before going to the bathhouse. After cleaning it, you can wait for 1 minute, then you wash it off. Then in the bathhouse, make sure you have a cotton face towel or a cotton, like something that you can use to wash the face. I don't advise using the soap direct on the face because the face is very sensitive. I have a very sensitive face, so I don't really use my facial soap direct on my face. I use it on a cotton face towel, add water to it, and I use it to wash my face. And there I go. After washing my face and everything, then I use the face clear cream on the face. So I directed her how to use the face clear product, and trust me, she now go out without wearing makeups on the face. So if you have issue with severe dark spots, I recommend our face clear product for us. Now let's look at some few ingredients that I use to formulate the face cream. This is how the face cream is. It smells so nice and it's for all skin type. Everybody can use it. And take note, mostly I always advise that you use your face cream in the night. This is not a sunscreen face cream, okay? It's a face cream that clears dark spots on the face, that clears sunburn on the face, that clears severe acne on the face. So you have to use it consistently to achieve the results that you want. This is how the face cream is, and it's made with almond butter, it's made with almond oil, a collagen serum, vitamin E and vitamin C. It's very good for clearing pimples on the face. It's very good for clearing dark spots on the face, especially if you are suffering with severe dark spots. Severe dark spots, trust me, this is the best solution to the dark spots that you have on your face. And there you go. I would like to share with you another testimony from a client in Canada. Yes, in Canada. This lady sent me a DM on Instagram. I wouldn't love to show her face. I'll use something to cover her face for us to see. This was how her face was when she sent me a DM on Instagram, Lartini Skincare. So I quickly responded to her. She sent me a picture of herself and I recommended the face glass set for her. I gave her the same set which comes with the face cream, the soap, and then the cleanser. So I directed her how to use it, and within 2 weeks to a month, she sent me a review of herself, how the product has cleared all her sunburn and her dark spots. This is her review so far, and she was so happy. She was so happy she got in touch with me because she was like, she has used a lot of products and she has not seen the results that she wants. Sometimes she ended up bleaching her face, she ended up damaging her face. But when she used our face clear product, it has helped her to clear all the dark spots on the face. Beautiful people, Lartini Skincare, we find solution to people having problems on their skin and on their face. This facial clear set is very good for everybody, especially people battling with dark spots, sunburn, and acne on the face. It's brightening the face, it clears dark spots on the face, it clears acne on the face, it nourishes the face, it glows the face. One thing I've noticed about this face cream is that it's very mild. So sometimes when you are using it, you start seeing the results from 14 days and above. When you are using it, you need to be patient. Consistency is the best key for you to achieve the kind of facial tone or the kind of body skin tone that you want. Lovely people, we ship to all nationwide. Distance is not a problem. Whether you are in the UK, you are in Canada, you are in Switzerland, you are in US, you are in Germany, every part of the world, we ship to everywhere. So if you are outside the country, which is Ghana, and you have dark spots on your face and you need a very, very good facial product to clear the dark spots on the face, trust me, we have the best facial clear product to clear all those problems on the face. You can get in touch with us on Instagram at Lartini Skincare, on Facebook at Lartini Skincare, on TikTok at Lartini Skincare. You can also WhatsApp us on 027 1594053. You can share your problems with us, or you can chat me personally and I will respond to you. Whatever problems you have on the skin, whatever problems you have on the face, please trust me, you will get solution to your problems. You can go through our page on Instagram and see some of the reviews yourself. We are authentic, we are real, and we formulate the best skincare product, the best luxurious skincare product. And trust me, our things are very affordable. Okay, we ship to everywhere, we deliver to everywhere, no matter where you are. Distance is not a problem. Lartini Skincare, glow natural with Lartini. Thank you for watching, and please do remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a review on a skincare product here, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you all.